Hey guys, it's Good Vibes Squishies here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my top 5 favorite Puni Maru Squishies. So let's get started. So my 5th Puni Maru Squishy is this mini banana. I would show the jumbo one, but I don't have the jumbo one. But the reason why this is number 5 is the reason why it's on this list. I didn't put it like high up on this list. If I had the jumbo one, I would have. But I hate mini squishies, but I do like this squishy. It used to smell really good like bananas, and I wish I kept it in the packaging, but I didn't because I'm stupid. And it comes with this little tag. I love how the Puni Maru squishies come with like little tags. This little monkey, he's so cute. Yeah. It's pretty. It's quite slow rising for a mini squishy. So yeah, that is my 5th squishy. Okay, so my 4th squishy on the Puni Maru list is this Vampire Yummy Bear. This is a Halloween, obviously, and this is by Creamy Candy, manufactured by Puni Maru. Packaging is super cute. It is designed by Kira Mochi. And then this Creamy Candy X Furry Squishy.ind. It has the ghost marshmallows and some bats, and then yummy bears there, and some jack-o'-lanterns. The back is just all of them put together. So let's check this out. The squishy is pretty fast rising, but it's very airy. And it smells so good. I'm not sure what it's supposed to smell like, but it smells really good. It has a little pumpkin atop, and then the waffle bat wings. Then it comes with a ball chain and acrylic jack-o'-lantern ice cream tag. As you can tell, it's super airy, but it's pretty fast rising. So yeah, that is my 4th squishy on this Puni Maru list. So my 3rd squishy on this Puni Maru list is the Jumbo Kiwi. Packaging. It has cheeky on the back and then cheeky on the front. There's 2 little kiwis on his eyes in the shade green version. It's actually the first Puni Maru squishy that I ever got. What I did to the packaging, since the stickiness came off, I just put little like Velcro on it. Also, this lost scent, but it used to smell like kiwi and it smelled so good. It still kind of has a scent. And then again, it comes with a little ball chain and little cheeky in a kiwi costume tag. And it's super detailed and has a little cheeky sticker right there. Let's give it a squish. This is super airy. It's pretty slow rising as well. Not super slow rising, but it's pretty nice. So yeah, this is my 3rd squishy on this Puni Maru list. So my 2nd squishy on this list has been in a lot of my videos. It is the Chica's Jumbo Pink Lemon, and it's this really pretty pearly pink lemon, and it has Chica right, no, not there, where'd it go? Where did Chica right here, and it smells exactly like strawberry lemonade, and then it comes with a ball chain and Chica tag sipping strawberry lemonade. It's super cute. Oh, it like blew my hair. And every time you squish it, the scent just like comes out, and it smells so good. And it's not super slow rising, it's pretty fast rising. So yeah, that is my 2nd squishy on this list. On to the number 1 squishy on this Puni Maru list. I do have some honorable mentions. So the first honorable mention is this Jumbo Roasted Marshmallow Pig. It's super cute. Here's that packaging. So now I'm going to squish them in the packaging. decently slow rising. With all of my squishies, I do the Velcro thing, so that way I keep their scent preserved as long as possible. And this is what he looks like out of packaging. That's his little tail. And the creamy candy licensing is on the bottom. There's another creamy candy squishy. Focus. My camera's not gonna focus. It's not gonna focus. Whatever. The creamy candy licensing is on the bottom. And this is licensed by Creamy Candy, but it's manufactured by Puni Maru. And it smells like chocolate. And then again, it comes with the ball chain and dust plug. He's super soft. Has a really nice texture to him. He's decently slow rising. He's so cute. So my next honorable mention is this Yummy Bear Merman Seashell. This is another creamy candy, but Puni Maru manufactured squishy. This I actually got in a mystery box during Christmas from Bunny's Cafe. Okay, so let's take out the packaging. And like before I ordered like the mystery box, I watched a bunch of videos on the mystery box from them, and many people got this, so I was like, I'm definitely gonna get one. And then I got one, and I was super excited. So it comes with the acrylic Yummy Bear Merman tag, and it's a pink ball chain, and this is super sparkly, and it smells like soap. It's not a bad thing. Those were the honorable mentions. Now on to the number one squishy. Okay, so my final squishy, my number one squishy on this Puni Maru list is the Super Jumbo Melon Bread. It was in another one of my videos, in my top 10 favorite squishy videos. This is a Puni Maru squishy. It was licensed in 2016, and this is honestly like one of my favorite squishies. Again, sorry for the Velcro noise. So here it is. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla cake. It's huge. Super detailed. And there is the Puni Maru licensing right there. Yeah, that's my number one squishy. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you aren't already, hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And also leave a comment for ideas for future videos.